Hey, hey guys, this is my first channel that I'm doing, and in Brawl Stars, when you're harder, and it gets harder and harder to get more treasures, but I got this 6, and let me show you my guys. These are all my guys that I have. And now I'm gonna play a game with this guy. Now you want to go get more like these things, because if you don't get them, you can die right away. And you try to get a lot, and when you have like a guy that is not that good, you just keep following him and following him, like the guy that you have. And now I just died. Now it's to figure out to my other guy, to my teammate. Now I revived. Now I'm gonna go kill someone. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. No. Keep going. Oh, now there's the last team. And now I won the game. And now I got 9 trophies. And I got $10. Oh, I just got a new treasure. No new guy. But wait, let me go here. No. Wait. Oh, I have enough. And now, thanks for watching this video, and bye.